Get livinggold.com. It's where you want to be. Investing in gold, shining brightly and carefree. Physical.
How gold is your safety net during uncertainty? Let's talk about uncertainty. We've all seen how quickly the market can change. One moment it's up, and the next, it's crashing. But guess what tends to stay strong when everything else falls apart? Gold. In times of economic instability, gold has been a reliable store of value. It's like having a safety net for your investments. And with a gold IRA, you can add physical gold to your retirement plan, giving you peace of mind no matter what happens in the stock market. Ready to secure your future? Find out how easy it is to start a gold IRA by going to the link below the description or to goldforthefuture.com. Get your free gold guide now from one of our top recommended companies, Birch Gold Group, by clicking the link below the video or by going to goldforthefuture.com now. Why Birch Gold? With a long history and a top reputation in the industry of helping people diversify into precious metals, Birch Gold Group is one of our top picks, offering a low $10,000 minimum investment, secure storage, and excellent customer service. Get more information right away and get started on your precious metals investment journey.